Welcome back. Let us solve one more problem using Java 8. In this problem, there will be a string, and in that string, we need to find whether any vowel is present. So, we will start writing our program. So, first, we will create our method, private static method, where we will check whether the string contains vowel or not using Java 8. So, we'll create a method which will take a string and then we will check whether our string is we'll convert into lowercase, or we can also convert into uppercase, so that it should be consistent. Now we will return our value and we'll check. So what we are going to do is that we'll open character, we'll split our string into characters, and then we will use map to object. You have seen we are using map to object everywhere. Most of the problem we have solved so far, we are using this map to object. So to better understand this, you should watch my earlier video that how to use map to object in Java 8. Now we are going to call any of match. This is one of the method. In this we are going to check whether the string contains vowel or not. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Dot index of dot index, I think index 5, index of, then we are going to check and return not equals to -1. Okay, this will be, yeah, this should work. Yeah, now we are going to call our method and passing the value. So we will contain vowel and we'll pass, for example, we'll check it whether A is vowel or not. So we need to store this value so that we can do our logic. Is boolean, it will return boolean value. Now we are going to check if is vowel, then we will print out vowels are present, else we could print out. This is quite simple program, but you're solving using Java 8. That adds little attention to it. Okay, now we'll see whether is it working or not. Let us run it. Vowels are present. Okay, now let us change it to uppercase and see. Okay, it is working. Now let us change that which is not a vowel. Z is not a vowel. Let us see. Vowel. Okay, it is working. So let us pass both the things, A and Z. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so because we are checking whether vowels are present or not, so it doesn't matter how many non-vowels character are there, it will still check whether we have any value or not. So it will, yeah, vowels are present. So that's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new today.